Today we are touring a manufactured home right here in DeFuniak Springs. We are at 11 West LaFair. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it does have a hidden bonus room. So this is brand spanking new. This is a 2024, and we've just entered the home, and this is your living room. Front door. Hardball Road. This is 1,140 square feet. We are in Walton County. It is sitting on 0.21 acres. I do like that it has an actual walk-in closet. And if you happen to be a lush girl who likes your bath bombs, ta-da! We do not get tubs in our Florida homes. Some do. Most of us don't. So this is the master we're walking out of. So you do have privacy, kitchen. This is your outdoor back space. It is raining. So this is secondary bedroom number 1. Closet's good size. And ta-da! There's an extra just space right here that you can turn into an extra living room, a little office. And here is the other bathroom. Now, if you take care of these homes, they can last 30 to 50 years. You just have to maintain it as with any home. So this one is a 2024. Super affordable. Listed at $149,900. So there is affordable living here in Florida in DeFuniak.